Hey guys, welcome to you on my channel Delhi IAS, and today is day 55 of my preparation, and my target, that is prelims of UPSC CSE 2024, is on 26 May, and total days are remaining only 314 314 दिन रह रहे हैं. तो दोस्तों, let us see what will be my today's schedule to achieve my this goal. And but before this, if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe the channel. Okay friends, as you know that I'm not posting any video since last 2 days, that is 15 and 16 July. There were reasons, and reason were very deep. Actually, I was having no study mindset. I don't want to study during these 2 days. First of all, in my room there was not so much good environment in my study room, and so I did some changes in my room to overcome that, and on the basis of that, now I am trying to study again. And today is day 17, 17th of July. So let us see what will be my today's target, how much I will achieve, so that in the end I can get my target of UPSC CSE 2024. Okay, so as you can see, from 9 to 10 is my time of technique learning, technique used for studying. Okay, and from 9 to 10, and then from 10 to 11, 10 to 11 contains 15-minute break, 15 to 20-minute break, plus this thing, detailed long-term schedule preparation on date based. Earlier also I made schedule long term, but that was based on the syllabus. But this time I think that didn't work so much well for me, so I have switched again to date based schedule. Okay, and then from 11 to 12 I will do study of sociology unit 7, politics and society, half. So I will do study of this unit 7, half of this unit today. So this is my main agenda of the day, that unit 7, half of unit 7 I will study during this study block, during 1 to 2, and during this 3 to 4, and during this buffer time, that is 6 to 8. I will do half of unit 7. And why half, why not complete? Because earlier I set target of complete unit, but I found that I am not able to complete it. So I must take some steps. That's why I reduce it to half unit, and I hope I will achieve it. Then 9 to 10 I will do revision of whatever I have studied during the whole day, and from 10 to 11 I will do COB, marginal gain, and research and development. Okay, so this is my today's schedule. Hope I will achieve it. Please subscribe the channel to give me more motivation. Thank you.